How to fix TPM attestation is not ready. Error on FACEIT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you're trying to launch a game on FACEIT, and you're getting hit with this annoying error that says TPM attestation is not ready. Super frustrating, especially when you just want to jump into a match. But don't worry, this is actually a fixable issue, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly what causes it and how to get rid of it for good. Let's get into it. What does this error mean before we fix it? Let's quickly understand what it's telling you. TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It's a security chip either built into your motherboard or enabled through your system settings. FACEIT's anti-cheat system requires TPM2 to be active and properly working on your PC to verify that your system is trustworthy. When it says attestation is not ready, it means FACEIT can detect your TPM chip, but it's not fully initialized, enabled, or communicating correctly. The good news is this is almost always a settings issue, not a hardware problem. Fix 1. Check if TPM is enabled in BIOS. The first and most common fix is making sure TPM2 is actually enabled in your BIOS. To get there, restart your computer and as it boots up, press the key to enter BIOS. This is usually Delete, F2, or F10 depending on your motherboard brand. Once inside, look for a section called Security, Advanced, or Trusted Computing. In there, you'll find an option for TPM or PTT, which stands for Platform Trust Technology on Intel systems. Make sure it is set to Enabled. Save your changes, exit BIOS, and let your PC boot back up normally. Then try launching FACEIT again. Fix 2. Clear the TPM in Windows. Sometimes the TPM gets into a stuck or unready state and just needs to be cleared and reinitialized. Here's how to do that safely. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. Type in TPM, MSC and hit Enter. This opens the TPM management window. In there, look for an option on the right side that says Clear TPM. Click it, confirm the action, and restart your PC. Windows will reinitialize the TPM on the next boot, and this often resolves the attestation error completely. Fix 3. Make sure Secure Boot is enabled. FACEIT's anti-cheat also works hand in hand with Secure Boot, another BIOS-level security feature. If Secure Boot is turned off, it can interfere with TPM attestation. Go back into your BIOS the same way I described earlier and look for the Secure Boot option, usually found under the Boot tab or the Security tab. Make sure it is enabled. If your system is in Legacy or CSM boot mode, you may need to switch it to UEFI mode first for Secure Boot to work properly. Save, exit, and restart. Fix 4. Update your TPM firmware. In some cases, the TPM firmware itself is outdated and needs an update to function correctly with modern anti-cheat systems. Go to your PC or motherboard manufacturer's website and search for your specific model. Look for a TPM firmware update in the Download section. If one is available, download it and follow the instructions to install it. After the update is complete, restart your machine and check if the error is gone. Fix 5. Reinstall FACEIT anti-cheat. If everything in your BIOS looks correct and the error is still showing up, try reinstalling the FACEIT anti-cheat client. Sometimes the anti-cheat software itself gets into a broken state. Open your Windows settings, go to Apps, find FACEIT or FACEIT anti-cheat in the list, and uninstall it completely. Then head to FACEIT.com, download the latest version of the client, and do a fresh install. Launch it after installation and see if the attestation error has cleared. Fix 6. Run FACEIT as administrator. This one is simple but effective. Right-click on the FACEIT shortcut on your desktop and select Run as administrator. Sometimes the anti-cheat needs elevated permissions to properly access TPM functions on your system. If this works, you can make it permanent by going into the shortcut properties, clicking the Compatibility tab, and checking the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Outro. And those are all the fixes for the TPM attestation is not ready error on FACEIT. To recap, start by enabling TPM in your BIOS, then try clearing it through Windows, make sure Secure Boot is on, update your TPM firmware if needed, reinstall the anti-cheat, and run FACEIT as administrator. Work through those steps one by one and one of them will almost certainly solve it for you. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming and tech fix guides. Drop a comment below if you're still stuck and I'll do my best to help. See you in the next one.